Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing Manos, his improved portfolio. So yeah, he sent me a link to his new portfolio and we're gonna review it. Yeah, let's have a look. The hero section first. Okay, so I see what you did here. Like you implemented these animations. One thing I would do if I were you is not have it like this. So when a user comes on your website or a customer, just have it that the map is instantly in the middle like this, and then it automates instantly too. So when I refresh, it should be here, and then without me having to click it, 2 seconds later it should like do this. Wait, it should do this. Yeah, because now it kind of looks, yeah, all this white space, it kind of looks bland, you know what I mean? And then people are gonna be like, what is this? And some people are not even gonna click it, and then they have to click it again. It's too much work for people, you know what I mean? So make it automatically. So make it that it animates automatically. Okay, let's go to your next section, your about section. I do like this section. The only thing I would do differently is give the text a different shade of white, because now it's like quite, I think it's gray or it's white with a opacity of 40 or something like that, but it's a bit hard to read. But it's way better than your previous about section, so yeah, I'm very pleased. And maybe even add a little bit more padding between. No, it's okay actually. No, it looks good. Yeah, I do like it. Yeah, I also like this. This looks way better. Yeah. Yeah, this looks way better, man. Let's go to the next section. I would just remove this line because, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't add it. And also, there's something wrong with the scroll. So fix that. But this section looks way better than I remembered. Ooh, damn. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is kind of wall of text, but it doesn't really matter because this is for people who actually want to read. You know, it's not for people who are just on the home page and just want to scan your website. So this looks way better. Yeah, it's simple, but it's good. Let's have a look at your areas of expertise. This is also way better. But what I would do is maybe have a hover effect, so when you hover it, like colors, like it colors like the card you're hovering. You know what I mean? And also make this bigger because I cannot really read this. Like I can read it, but it's a bit hard because it's so tiny and there's like no, like it's not clear like the text in that color on the gray background. You know what I mean? Then this section, I do like this section like even before, but you added this and maybe do it in a different way because yeah, this is not really coherent to the other diagrams. So maybe also make a diagram of it. Yeah. And then this is good. Yeah, your footer is really good. This is way better. Let me have a look. The contact. Yeah, this is a beautiful contact too. This looks way better. Maybe have a CTA on your, how's it called, your hero section, because most people don't even scroll past the hero section. So if you could have like a CTA of contact me now, it would be great to drive conversions. What I would recommend is maybe try to put this text over here, because now it's a bit weird because you use this as a title. Like this card is like a title card, and then you have like a who am I card, but maybe try to merge them together. But I'm not complaining, it looks good. Maybe use more icons in this section too, because it kind of it's not as bad as the previous section, not at all. But it misses something. I don't know what. Like something. Yeah, it just misses something. I don't know what. Like, for example, I don't think that these certification titles should be highlighted. Because, yeah, you highlight this title, then these words, then you highlight this and this. Which I told you to do, by the way. Like, I'm sorry, but it's my fault. But maybe it's too much because now my brain like is fighting for the attention. You know what I mean? Like this is fighting for my attention. This is fighting for my attention. This is fighting for my attention. Yeah, and I don't know if this certification and this education stuff needs to be here. Like it's the about, but I don't know, like are clients really gonna care about your certification shit? Like jack shit about UI or UX, so they don't care about this, I feel like. Same with this. They just care about results and if your website looks beautiful. So maybe like move this project section even above the about us section, yeah. Because people don't really care, like not to be rude, but they don't really care about you. They care about if your work looks good. So I think this should be the focal point. And also put like your contacts section on your homepage too, so that people don't have to like click buttons, they can just like scroll. Because now I have to actually like search for it and look in, like open your menu, go to your contact. Like it's not much work, but it's too much work. Do you know what I mean? Because people, their attention is like lost like that if it takes too many steps. Reviews, testimonials, yeah, you're missing a testimonial section. Yeah, I completely forgot. Do you have one? Wait, I'll look. No, you don't. If I'm being honest, like, I know I told you that it looks good, but I'm not sure. It's not to the point enough. I don't know, like, everything is fighting for my attention, I feel like. It should have, like, less information, I feel like, too. But it looks way better than the previous about. Like, yeah, I don't know. Also, I feel like even this areas of expertise section should be above the about. Like your about, like it doesn't really matter. Like it should be lower. It should be like lower on your website. Like it should be down, like to the end of the website, to the footer. Oh wait, this is also not correct because you say, like in this tag services, but those are not services. Wait, they are. Wait, UI design, UX design. Oh wait, these sections are basically the same. Yeah, man, just merge these two together. Like, choose one of them because now, like, people don't care about the tools. Like, just scrap this. Like, if I think about it, like, I wouldn't give a fuck which tool you use. Like, why even mention it? If I was like a client of yours and I don't know shit about web design, which 99% of all your clients are gonna be like this, because yeah, if they know like a lot about web design, why would they hire you? So just remove this because it's like an extra, it's like an extra step to get to your contact form, which you have to place here. So remove this. It's a cool section, but I'm sorry, man. Like, yeah, remove it. Like, no one cares. Keep this. Try to play with this. Like, try to do something else. Maybe even make it white. Yeah, like make it white. Or like maybe keep it black, but try to do something else that it looks, it's more to the point, like less information. Like that's the thing, like you have to be like, they have to come to you. Why am I doing this? They have to like visit your website and it needs to be like, ciao. You know what I mean? And your website needs to cut through the noise. And it's better than your website before, but it could be even better if you make it even more to the point. Oh, okay. Another thing I would do if I were you, highlight this, that you're currently open for work, because it's cute, right? Like all these little cards, but people don't even know what UX design is, UI design. Okay, they know what it means, but they don't care. Like gamified, like graphic design, like the only thing they care about is that you're open to work. So highlight this, like maybe in black. And what it will do is, if a person like visits your website and they will be focused on a few things. If you do like a squint test for visual hierarchy, they will be focused on your name here, not so much on these things because they're not big enough. But if you make this black with white text, they're gonna also be focused on this, which is a good thing. Yeah, this section is beautiful. This is good, man. Yeah. Okay, so let's recap that. Sorry that I kind of was repeating myself over and over again in this review, but let's recap this. Yeah. Okay, so the number one thing I would change about your website is like your about. I'm not sure about it. Like it looks better than the previous about, but I think you can do even better. Like it can be even more to the point, more clear, more beautiful, yeah. But it's a step up, especially with this and with the cards. Like it has more visual hierarchy, but it still feels like a wall of text. And I'm so sorry because it looks way better your website, so don't take it too personally. This looks great, keep it. Remove this. Make these bigger, keep this, it looks good. And your contact is also good, but move it to your homepage. Like put it before the footer. Move this up. Move your about section down. Move these, like this project section, move it up too. And yeah, fix these animations that it automatically animates when you come on the site, like I told you before, and you'll have yourself a great website, man. So yeah, I'm so happy for you, and yeah, thank you for taking the advice. Yeah, okay, let's give you a rating. I would give you a 7.2. Yeah, which is more than I gave you before, right? I hope. I really hope, like a 7.5. Let's give you a 7.5, okay? So yeah, if you make the necessary changes, I think your site would be like a great site, like very to the point, very like clean, just minimalistic, which I like and everyone likes actually. So yeah, thank you for listening, and if you have any more questions, feel free to contact me, and yeah, like and subscribe. No, I'm kidding. Bye bye, man.